Roughly 75% of the African population is below 35 years of age, filling our continent with incredible potential and energy. But despite all this, factors such as poor distribution of healthcare, education, employment, and even water and sanitation facilities have severely crippled our potential. As a result, we can see our youth lacking safe convening spaces and unable to influence the decisions that are being made for their own nation's development. This is where the Youth Cafe comes in. Since 2012, we as a unique youth initiative have ensured that the talented youths of Africa are allowed to step up and play their role as the new driving force of their nations. How do we intend to bring this change, you may ask? The answer is in our theory of change, an ambitious plan to strengthen the youth of Africa and help them fly to a world of opportunities and freedom by mobilizing the goodwill and support of governments, international organizations, the United Nations, civil society groups, corporations, and the youth of Africa themselves. We follow the theory of change to carry out 8 catalytic action-driven and progressive activities for the sake of helping our young citizens. Firstly, we support regional sports, arts, and cultural endeavors. Then, we ensure peace and security for the youth by actively involving the stakeholders to avert their participation in cases of violence and extremism. We regulate seamless flows of knowledge transfer to help educational and skill-based institutions, directly increasing awareness and access to employment opportunities among the youth. Apart from this, we actively work to promote green, resilient, and inclusive development to combat environmental degradation. We regularly push for changes in the regulatory framework to mobilize domestic resources and eradicate poverty for the undocumented and unbanked sections of the youth. Plans to promote improved access to active healthcare privileges and general health awareness against drug abuse, COVID-19, and transmittable diseases are being carefully planned by us for the young citizens. A growing businesses incubation program has been set up to support unfunded business ideas of young entrepreneurs by offering them startup capitals. And finally, we represent accountability initiatives and increasing advocacy for political stability, utilizing our community resilience and convening power. With the improved domestic development, distinguished intergenerational co-leadership, and the ever-expanding global outreach of the Youth Cafe, our dream of a youth-led Africa draws closer every day. Along with our identity as a creative amplifying laboratory, advocating and fostering innovative, impactful, and progressive policies that promote youth participation and engagement at national, regional, and global levels. If you wish to see the young minds of Africa hold beacons of leadership in the global community, register as a member of the Youth Cafe today and help us carry out our tremendous responsibilities from the front line. We welcome you to volunteer or have an internship with us and gain valuable guidance, professional recommendations, and future employment opportunities. You may strengthen our resources by donating books, equipment, and financial sums, or be a part of our ecotourism programs and let us lead you through the beautiful ecosystem of our continent. The Youth Cafe has many more innovative ways for you to play a part in our ambitious initiatives. Visit our website today to learn more.